Let's be honest with them long ass hashtags, okay? It's a little bit ridiculous. Hey you guys, what's up? It is Melissa. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is kind of like an impromptu video. I did not have this written down on a list of videos that I was going to make, but I feel like it's a good video to make. I want to make it because I know there are some people out there who literally have absolutely zero clue. I've seen it with my own eyes, how a hashtag actually works. Now, most of you here are like, girl, who in the world don't know how a hashtag works? But you would be flipping surprised at the people that I follow on Instagram and Facebook who are using hashtags just left and right that literally make no sense, and they just literally don't know how a hashtag works. Because I actually asked one of my friends, I think it was like last week, I said something about the hashtag, I can't remember exactly what I said, but she literally said, I have no idea what a hashtag is even for. Like, I just put them. Like, so I was like, you know, people really just don't know how to operate a hashtag. They don't know what it is. They don't know what its purpose is. And they're just literally putting hashtag, 2 long sentences, hashtag, 2 more long sentences, and that's just not how hashtag works. So I'm not here to like rant at you and be like, girl, you are the dumbest, because I mean, if you don't know, you don't know. If you've never researched it, you just don't know how it works. I'm here to tell you how a hashtag works, okay? So, you know, we have hashtags everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat doesn't do hashtags, but whatever else. And I have people on my Instagram who will do those long hashtags that literally make 0 sense for a hashtag. Because what a hashtag is, how many times can I say hashtag? Y'all want to drink every time I say hashtag? It is literally a clickable search tool, like a clickable search link. Just say that you're on Instagram and you go up in the little search bar and you want to see pictures of Louis Vuitton purses. So you would literally put in hashtag Louis Vuitton purse or purses, whatever. And then anyone else that has used that hashtag, their picture or their video post are gonna pop up, and therefore you can go through and look at everything you were searching for with the hashtag Louis Vuitton purse, okay? That's how a hashtag works. It's literally for you to click so that you can see similar items to what you are searching. Now, what I see on Facebook and Instagram a lot is that people are using hashtags, and they are hashtags that can be searched, little short hashtags like hashtag food, hashtag bubble bath. I mean, things people are actually looking up, but your profile is private. So if someone actually does search the hashtags that you have in your description, your stuff is not going to come up. So your hashtags are useless. You need to make sure that your stuff is set to public if you're wanting people to search you by your hashtags. If it's private, no one's going to be seeing it except for the people that already follow you, and they're not looking up those hashtags anyways. So as for Facebook, that is the worst place ever for hashtags. I feel like there are a lot of older people on Facebook, more so than Twitter and Instagram, I think. But there are people my exact age and people even younger than me that I see on Facebook using hashtags that literally make 0 sense. Now, I understand if you're doing a hashtag to make fun of hashtags, or you're like just trying to be funny with a hashtag, totally get it, totally understand. But some of you guys are out here using hashtags that literally just, there's no purpose for them. I think you think that there is a purpose for them, but there's not, like it makes no sense. So just say you are on Facebook and you do use a hashtag in the correct way, but your status is actually not public. It's not where anyone but your friends can see it, and your friends are not going to be searching the hashtag to find your specific picture or post because they already see yours. So if you're going to use a hashtag on Facebook, and the same thing with Instagram, you just go up in the top of Facebook, put in like, say, hashtag hurricane, because, you know, people look up things, they want to see around the world what's happening. Just say you're typing in hashtag hurricane. Anyone that has used that hashtag hurricane on Facebook with a post, it will pop up in your feed for you to look through, okay? But you guys are having your statuses and your posts with your hashtags friends only. Like no one can see it. So just be sure that if you are using hashtags on Facebook and you're using them the correct way, make sure that the post that you are making is public so that other people can actually search it, because that's the only way people are going to be able to find it. They're not going to be able to find it if you're showing your friends only. So I hope that you guys understand how a hashtag works now. It's literally a searchable link. So put things that other people will most likely be searching. Put things that are relevant. If you are your own business or your own brand, it makes sense to have your own hashtag that way. But having a hashtag like hashtag just ate crackers with my son, like nobody's really searching that hashtag. Do you know what I'm saying? So that is how you use a hashtag, people. Use short little hashtags that other people will be searching so that they can find your post. If you don't want anybody to find your post, stop using hashtags because it literally makes 0 sense, okay? But if you're looking for a specific thing and you're like, you know what, I would love to see pictures of dolphins. Hashtag dolphin, and all the dolphin pictures with that hashtag are going to come up. I hope this made sense to you guys, the ones of you that did not already know how to use a hashtag. I love you guys. I'm not knocking anybody that doesn't know how to use a hashtag for real. I just want you guys to know because the rest of us are kind of laughing at you. I mean, let's be honest with them long ass hashtags, okay? It's a little bit ridiculous. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please stick around, subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.